How's it going, guys? I'm here with the product, the last coat. I saw it on a Facebook ad. It's supposed to be a cleaner, protector, sealant, and pretty much a detailer at the same time. I've tried a whole bunch of other detailing products, and so far, this one, since it coats at the same time, has been great. I'm going to show you the car. This is my daily driven Nissan 240. She's also a show car. I bring her to a bunch of shows. A lot of car meets. I've had her for about 2 years now. It's wrapped in Avery Diamond White. Everyone always tells me who painted it, ask who painted it. I have to explain to them that it's a wrap. They don't believe it. And that's mostly because of such a great product like this that keeps it just absolutely gorgeous with the flake. If you have a wrapped car, you probably already know there's a lot of dust, dirt, debris, things that like to stain it or stick to it. This helps repel it. This helps stop staining. It's not going to remove any stains, but it will prevent any staining. And the car just looks amazing since using it. So this is the product. I'm insanely happy about it and going to keep using it. You guys have a good one.